And the teardown begins. Fresh out the paint shop, head to the poster shop. Well, y'all know that stuff that tied. They got covers on covers. What you think, Joe?
What's up, mister? Morning. Ready?
Boy, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Pressure wash all this stuff. Take it, go put it on the lift. Put all new body bushings and all on it. Come on, man. Ain't nobody got no church shoes on, man.
Come on, help me get some motherfucker out.
You can't get it? Pancho! That's where the trunk look. Nice and solid. Hey, help Dean. He don't know.
What's up? What's up, baby? What's up?
Can you get it?
Here, hold on.
Pancho know how to do it. I thought. Oh shit.
You ain't doing it. You got it done. You got it done.
You got it? Well, we knocked all the screws over, but what is it?
It's just clipped on.
Huh?
Now, let me, there you go. Now, hold on. There you go.
Trying to figure out how this back seat come out, man. This one want to be a fight. What is it? Nothing?
Push.
Oh, push. This thing probably ain't never been out.
Been out and recovered.
It ain't been recovered. So we gonna go back OG on this one. There you go.
Oh,
Bam.
Things that work.
I know Superman could get it out.
Okay, boy. Come on.
Damn.
Thank you.
Boy, them squirrels been having that field day in here.
The bottom of this seat looks pretty damn good, bro.
It's good.
Yeah.
That looks good. What age it is.
One on a car, man.
They ain't do no back seat.
What the hell is them little black things right there on the front of the seat?
Seatbelt holders.
Yeah, but that is. No, why would the seatbelt? We way up there. Well, you see all of this mess back here. He got the vacuum cleaner, so he gonna hit it with the vacuum first. I ain't reaching my hand through all that shit. I don't see nothing that look like it's worth anything, so we're gonna finish getting this thing here out, get it cleaned up, and I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Y'all know Pancho got the little broom again. He gonna pre-sweep. This one I was calling Rihanna. What y'all think about Rihanna now? I went from Rihanna to Young Dro to Fresh Prince. What y'all think a good name for it? I'm finna send it over to Tall Head and get this rear end out. Put the new rear end in. Get Spooner to take the old rear end out, all the old suspension parts. New upper control arm bushings, lower control arm bushings, sway bar, end links. You know all that stuff got to come off, man. All that stuff got to be new. Brake booster, master cylinder. Old condenser. Pull this old condenser off the front. Get that mess out of here. Clean it up, pressure wash under here. Finna put it in the game. Y'all lay around for it. I'll be back in a minute. Solid floor. Solid floor. Nice and solid. No rust holes. Something. Well, we done sucked up in there. So nice and solid. Great, no floor repair. Just get all this old stuff out of here. That's dead on that, man. I'll be back in a minute.